everyone, this video is on one-liner on welding technology. Penetration is increased by increasing welding current and decreasing welding speed. In DC welding, straight polarity results in lower decomposition rate. The source of heat in thermite welding is exothermic chemical reaction. The source of heat in seam welding is ohmic resistance. The source of heat in MIG welding is electric arc. The source of heat in friction welding is mechanical work. Preheating in welding is done to prevent plate distortion. Submerged arc welding is capable of joining 40 mm plates in one pass. TIG welding is applicable to weld aluminium and its alloys. Joining of HSS drill bit to shank is done by gash welding. The metal plates of changing thickness can be welded by adjusting the current. The temperature of carburizing flame in gash welding is lower than neutral or oxidizing flame due to lesser oxygen. Friction welding is a solid-state welding process. Titanium sheet can be welded by laser beam welding. For gash welding a particular job using neutral oxyacetylene flame, if the acetylene consumption was 10 liter, then the oxygen consumption will also be 10 liter. You should know that for neutral flame, oxygen is to acetylene is 1:1. For oxidizing flame, the ratio is 1.5:1, and for carburizing flame, the ratio is 0.9:1. The major difficulty in welding aluminium is its high tendency of oxidation. In a linear arc welding process, heat input per unit length is inversely proportional to the welding speed. In electroslag welding, pool of molten metal is used, but in submerged arc welding, pool of flux is used. Open circuit voltage for arc welding is of the order of 40 to 95 volts. When welding is going on, welding voltage is in the order of 18 to 40 volt. Argon and helium gas is generally used in TIG welding. Two sheets of same material but different thickness can be butt welded by changing the size of one electrode. In resistance welding, voltage used for heating is 10 volt. In resistance welding, the pressure is released after the weld cools. Projection welding is a multi-spot welding process. Seam welding is a continuous spot welding process. Grey cast iron is generally welded by gash welding. In thermite welding, the iron oxide and aluminium are mixed in the proportion of 3:1. The phenomena of weld decay occurs in stainless steel. Arc length in arc welding should be equal to the rod diameter. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And click on the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. Thank you.